Hello friends and welcome to lesson 77 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. This is the first lesson in the book that deals with descending slurs. We're going to get our left hand prepared by bringing finger number 1 to string number 1, fret number 1, and finger number 3 to string number 2, fret number 3. This is going to give us the position that we are going to need to move our fingers in. And to prepare our right hand, we bring the thumb to string number 4 and the index finger to string number 2. We begin by plucking string number 4 with the thumb. Then we press string number 2 on fret number 3 with finger 3, and we pluck it with the index. We continue with an open first string plucked by the middle finger, and we bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 1, plucking it with the index finger. Then we do a descending slur with finger 1. We let it fall down from the string. And at the end of that measure, we need finger number 3 on string number 2, fret number 3 once again, and we pluck it with the middle finger. We begin measure number 2, plucking string number 5 with the thumb, then string number 1 with the index finger. We bring finger number 1 to string number 1, fret number 1, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Finger number 1 is going to stay there, applying pressure on the string as we play the G note that follows with finger number 3 on string number 1, fret number 3. We pluck it with the index finger. It's important that finger number 1 is pressing the string as well, because that is going to be the point of stability for the descending slur. So we think of the descending slur as finger 3 falling down towards the floor. And then we continue with an open first string with the middle finger. Measure number 3 is an exact repetition of measure number 2. And measure number 4 is an exact repetition of measure number 1. Measure number 5 starts with the open 4th string plucked by the thumb, finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 2, plucked by the index, finger 2 goes to string number 1, fret number 3, we pluck it with the middle finger, as we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 5, and we pluck it with the index finger. At this point, it's very important that both finger 4 and 2 are pressing string number 1, finger 4 on fret number 5, and finger 2 on fret number 3. Finger 2 is going to be the point of stability for the descending slur. It's very important that it is firmly pressing. And then we think of the slur by the 4th finger as the finger falling down towards the floor, releasing string number 1. And then we continue with finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Measure 6 starts with the 3rd string as an open string plucked by the thumb, finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 3, plucked by the index finger, then finger 3 goes to string number 1, fret number 5, we pluck it with the middle finger, as we bring finger 4 to string number 1, fret number 6, and we pluck it with the index finger. Measure 7 is an exact repetition of measure number 2. Open 5th with the thumb, open 1st with index, finger 1 on string 1, fret number 1, plucked with middle finger, finger 3 goes to string number 1, fret number 3, we pluck it with the index finger, making sure that both finger 3 and 1 are pressing on frets 3 and 1 respectively, and we think of finger 3 as falling down towards the floor. To produce the descending slur, We continue with open first with the middle finger as we bring finger 3 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck simultaneously strings 4 and 2. 4 with the thumb and 2 with the middle finger. And there you have it, friends, lesson 76 of the First Lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Slurs can be challenging, but with a little bit of practice, you will get them for sure. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. And as usual, in the description box, you will find a link to a play-along video and links to other important resources to help you develop your guitar and musicianship skills. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember, you know what, to enjoy the process.